Hello guys, and today we're going inside the Hogle Zoo. Let's go. Here's RJ. There it is. Here's the ticket boat. Okay guys, we're here now. And I want to show you what is inside. Here's the map. Let's start now. Here is the map. Starting to walk through here.
What's your strength? In about 5 minutes. The exit on your left.
We're here. The line up here. There is coming train. Here are they. They're now in the train. There is the engine. Okay, let's go.
That's 180.
Yeah.
Welcome aboard Utah's Hogle Zoo's Zoo Party Express. For your safety, remain seated for the entire ride. Arms and legs inside. Food and drink are not allowed. As we exit, on your left, you'll see the African savanna. That's our largest enclosure at 4.5 acres wide. You'll see Titus, Brutus, Theron, Vulcan, Sela, Nobu, and Calliope. All of our lions flying around. In the back here we have Baron and Vulcan. They're the leaders of the pride. On Savannah today you'll see Blue, our male ostrich. Then, over at the terrace, that's Pogo, the female giraffe. Behind her would be Riley, our male giraffe. This zebra here is Zoe, and in the back is her girl Poppy, born about 1.5 years ago. There's also Ziva and her 2-month-old female zebra named Zibby, and Ziggy, the male zebra, in the back. Zibby's right under there, under observation tower, and then the rest were just over at the trough there. I know, it's probably hard to see, but the animals move freely throughout the savannah. Over the river and through the wood, to the wild, wild west we go. Here you'll see property of the federal government in the form of wild gilded burro. The burro you see are up for adoption at the end of the summer. As we go through Moffett Tunnel, give us your best yeehaw. The old fort used to house the playground, but now it's storage for the train.
Storage for the train. There you go.
The best of the best and the worst of the West. They're laid to rest here at the zoo. At the bottom, that's our abandoned gold mining town. As we pull back into the depot, remain seated. Exit on your left when we come to a complete stop. Your left is the opposite side of which you boarded the train.
Stop! Stop now! That's it! Bye! We're in Europe. Ah, so tall, RJ. Here, come here, RJ. There is. There's the mountain view there. I not know what's this here. Entry Plaza Restaurant. African Savannah Bistro Restaurant.
Let's go down here.
Oh, we go to Elephant. There's the elephant head. Circle of life here.
It's the lions, I don't see them.
Who's who?
Cat. Education. It's closed. Nobody's there.
Take picture. Whoa. Yeah, the lion is so big, RJ. Where you go? Nothing here. Okay, we go. Oh, there he is. Oh my goodness. I not see that, RJ. Look at the. So big, RJ. Look. He tired. He lying down. See her? This is the lion. So big that RJ.
That's rubber sleeves.
Oh, what's that there?
It's a
Swamp.
swamp. Big water.
Some type of a monkey.
Oh, what's that, RJ? Monkey?
Oh, it's Just some type of a monkey.
Yeah, different kinds of monkey, RJ. Have nothing there. Black. Ah.
The apes are outside.
Maybe there he is. That's so big. Look at that. Have nothing here. Look like only one. Do you measure up, RJ? Adult male. An adult female. It's not there because it's so hot.
Might be in the bushes.
Yeah, maybe they hiding there. There is